Monkey, wake up. Monkey, check shiny screen. Monkey, scroll, scroll, scroll. Banana gone. Motivation gone. Strength gone. Monkey weak. But today, monkey fix weakness. Today, monkey learn discipline. Rule 1. Control dopamine. Every scroll, every notification equals fake banana. Sweet but empty. Soon, monkey brain chase glowing bananas instead of real ones. Solution: dopamine detox. Monkey replace cheap dopamine with real rewards, lifting heavy, building, creating. Rule 2. Embrace pain. Modern monkey run from discomfort, but stoic monkey no pain builds armor. Cold shower, pain. Heavy squat, pain. Meditation, stillness, pain. Monkey choose pain today to build strength tomorrow. Rule 3. Keep promises to self. Weak monkey say tomorrow I start. Tomorrow never comes. Strong monkey say now. Strong monkey does it. Every promise kept equals brick. Soon monkey live inside fortress of discipline. Rule 4. Choose the hard path. Easy path makes monkey soft. Soft body, soft mind, soft banana. Hard path makes monkey powerful. Always choose the path that forges strength, not comfort. Rule 5. Train body and mind. Monkey lift rocks. Monkey build muscle, but smart monkey also read wisdom. Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, Seneca. Strong body plus sharp mind equals complete warrior. Rule 6. Protect energy. Weak monkey give attention to gossip, drama, shiny distractions. Strong monkey guard attention like treasure. Energy wasted on nonsense equals energy not used for growth. Rule 7. Live by discipline, not mood. Weak monkey wait for motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Strong monkey act from discipline. Discipline is permanent. Discipline makes monkey unstoppable. End lesson. Weak monkey trapped by urges. Strong monkey free to conquer jungle. And when monkey free, monkey look in mirror and say, now this is a king.